So we got full bolts on E85, full bolts on E85.
Watch out, man!
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys go ahead and see, we're actually at Shell. We're putting in the secret sauce right now. Pushed me up to 95 octane. Well, that's unfortunate. So this freaking thing started leaking, and I don't know if you guys can go ahead and see that. It leaked all over the Shelby, which is not a good thing, but oh well. I haven't started. I'm going to go get some water right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my best to get it off right now, like as much as I can at least. And then I put it down, and for some reason I just tilted over and it spilled a bunch right here. So that sucks. Alright guys, so I don't want to bore you with the same process that we always do. Just switched it to 95, and look at that classic baby over there. Looks good, man. Gotta respect the classics. Always respect the classics, right?
Get out of my face.
I lowered the car yesterday on BMR drag springs with V8 Performance. So before he was able to help me out on my springs, he had to finish up an install of Whipple on a 2013 Shelby GT500. So we hung out there, helped where we can, which isn't really much. 95 is super loud on this engine, to be honest. So I'm actually having to like yell pretty much. And if you guys are actually new, then what do we have to do?
Go ahead and like and subscribe, guys.
That's what's up.
You just did it last night, and if you put tires on, by the time you do it, it'll let the spring settle too. Yeah. So it'll probably be even better to align it after.
Yeah,
the front ones don't look horrible. You're probably like the hairline is rough, but the back ones are red already.
Yeah, well the front one's the inside. That's the worst.
But when you get them, you're probably gonna be front and
all around. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have the boy, the sexy 1LE reruns are coming to you today. So we got full bolts on E85, full bolts on E85, pulley, intake, and tune with 95 octane. So should be a good one, guys. And we're waiting for one more car, and I believe he has the same thing, full bolts on E85, but 5.0. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get some runs in first, and then we're gonna go ahead and come back for the other 5.0. It was loud. Are you ready though? In case you were wondering how he gets his videos done, that's how he does it. Like, hey, gets the job done. You
I missed or you
I
missed?
yeah. Fucking
God damn, dude, this is hot.
yeah, 100%. I was at I don't know actually. My max was like, I think my max reached 200 and fucking like 20 right now.
Dude, it gets wobbly at like fucking 80 miles an hour on a 40.
Yeah. Like the first few, like you can hella tell. The first few was like pretty good. I was starting, you know, I was pulling a lot, and then like the last ones, you just fucking kept going. I'm like, man, I fucking heat soaked as hell right now. Like this shit's done. All right, so what would you say? Low end, you take it. Top end, I take it.
Yeah, eventually.
Eventually, that shit was close, honestly. You guys gonna? I mean, you guys saw by the video. The last one was so good.
You'll post some on his channel. So
Oh, dude,
keep updated.
keep updated with all the races. So what is it? What time is it? All right, so we said 9:30. 10:30. It's clean though. That's how mine's gonna look. Cool.
None of us do. That's what I know. I won't be friends with somebody.
Oh. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, really good races today. A fun time in Mexico. We're gonna go ahead and actually have some more fun in Mexico. We're gonna go ahead and actually watch the SS full bolt-on E85 with the 2-step. Actually try out his launch control on there. So it should be good, so stay tuned for that video. So with that being said, make sure you like this video and subscribe and tell me what you guys want to see in the next one. Peace out.